Hey, what is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we are going to be upgrading the RAM on a Dell Optiflex 7450 all-in-one computer. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. First thing I've done is unplugged everything, and I am just going to press this little button right down here, and once I press that button, this piece is going to come up, but you're going to need basically two hands to do that. So I'm pushing it, and then I'm using the back of my hand to lift this up because my other hand is actually holding the camera, and that's how it looks. So this piece just comes off like that. And this piece right here, this cover is basically a snap-off cover. There's no screws or anything. So I'm gonna put the camera down and show you how it's done. Just fit my fingers right under here. Pop it right off. So the RAM is actually housed under this cover right here. What we have to do is you actually have to press this little tab down and use your other hand to pull this cover over. So the camera's sitting on a bed. It's not the most stable of surfaces, but there we go. Just gonna pop these open. I just open it up like that and it pops open. Then I have a new piece that I'm gonna switch it out with. Unplug, got the new one. Want to plug it in the same way that that other piece came out. And then these two pieces just kind of grab onto it just like that. And we'll reverse the process, put everything back together. So these tabs on this side, the back top, need to be inserted first. Line them up and snap it all back in. Then we've got our stand that we're just going to slide the top in first, snap the bottom into place. You can hear it, and it's all set. So that button just set everything into place. And we're just going to go over and test it out. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments. Other than that, y'all have a great day.